In this video, I will show you 3 different ways how to clear cache on your Samsung S25 and S25 Ultra. So first, what you can do is you can simply go to your settings and then go to your device care section here. And first click optimize now here, and also on the memory also you can clean the memory here. Also it will reset some cache for certain apps. So once it's done cleaning. Okay, then the second way is we can simply again go to our settings, okay, and go to the apps, and we can actually clear cache for any particular app that you need to clear, for example for Chrome, let's say. So if you go over here on the storage and click clear cache, it will also clear cache for Chrome. Then what if you want to do basically full cache cleaning on your whole phone? Basically, so then we have to actually turn off our phone first, so simply power it off, and we are also going to need to grab our cables that we use to charge our phone, so it has to be good enough for data transfer. And also you need a computer or laptop where to plug it in, so simply plug it in and also plug in your phone, and you want to wait for the charging sign to appear, so wait till it goes away, basically the charging sign. Okay, also this one. So then what we want to do is we want to simply hold the volume up and the power button, and once you see the Samsung logo appear, release the power button but keep holding the volume up. So you see up and power, keep holding till the Samsung logo appears. And release on the Samsung logo the power button, but keep holding the volume up. Okay, and you see we are in this special recovery menu where you can, for example, reset your phone, but also wipe cache partition here. So again, it will clear pretty much everything here. So again, select with the power button and again confirm with yes, essentially. So let's do it. So you see cache wipe complete, and then we can reboot the phone. So again, simply press this one and the phone will get rebooted. You can unplug this and your phone should be good to go and everything should be wiped once it boots up. Okay, good luck.